Hello viewers, I hope all are safe at your home. This is Anita Chopra here with English online classes. Today I will be telling you about sentences. There are 26 letters. When these 26 letters among these are combined together, then certain words are formed. And when certain words are combined together, then sentence is formed. And when we combine the sentences together, then the paragraph is formed. Right? Among the 26 letters, 5 are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Rest the 21 are the consonants. Let us see the definition of sentence, what exactly sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense and contains a verb. That means any sentence or any group of words is not a sentence. Only the sentence which is having complete sense and it contains a verb is only a sentence. Main points to remember in this is a sentence starts with a capital letter. Yes, the sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with full stop or question mark or interrogative sign or exclamatory sign. Clear? Now this will become more easy when I tell you about the examples. Let us come to the examples now. First example, Vishu told me about. Is this a complete sentence? Yes, this is not a complete sentence. Why? Because here Vishu is saying something, but what she is saying is not clear. That means this sentence is not making complete sense. Therefore, this sentence is not complete. Now, let us move to the another example. I am spending my vacations with my grandmother. Is this sentence a complete sentence? Yes. This is a complete sentence. Why complete sentence? Because here it is a group of words. Okay. Then it is having a complete sense because and it contains a verb also. That is verb is here and I am spending the vacation. Yes, by whom? With whom? That is the grandmother. I and the grandmother are spending the vacation together. That means this is bringing out clear cut, yes, meaning of the sentence here. Is that clear? Yes. Now let us move forward. That is sentence. Sentence are having two parts. That is subject and predicate. Let us first discuss about subject. What exactly subject is? Subject is a part of sentence which names a person or thing, or indirectly you can say the doer. Yes, the doer in the sentence, that is the karta जिसे हम कहते हैं. Yes, that one. Now let us discuss now the predicate. Predicate is the part of sentence that tells you about the subject. That means predicate is the part of sentence which is giving you some information or telling you something about the subject. Yes. Now look at the examples here. Mother asked me to beat eggs with sugar. Here, who is the doer in the sentence? Or if I ask what is the subject in the sentence, here the subject is mother, because mother is asking. That means mother becomes the subject in this sentence. And rest other, that is ask me to beat egg with sugar, becomes the predicate. Okay. Second example. Hari likes to play with toys. Now here who likes to play with toys? That is Hari. Here Hari is a doer in the sentence. Therefore Hari becomes the subject. Yes. And likes to play with toy become the predicate. Yes. Next example. Nusrat arrived today. Here again the name of a person is given. That is the doer in the sentence. That is Nusrat. Nusrat becomes the subject in the sentence and arrived today becomes the predicate in the sentence. Okay, is that clear? अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है, if you like this video, so please एक like करना, subscribe करना.